Welcome to AI Productivity, where I show you the smartest tools to save time, boost creativity, and get more done with the power of AI. Today, I'm sharing 3 must-try AI tools that can make your work easier, faster, and more fun, even if you're just getting started. First up, we have ChatGPT, a conversational AI that helps you generate ideas, write content, solve problems, and even code. Just ask your question, and it gives human-like answers instantly. Next is Notion AI, the perfect productivity assistant inside Notion. It can summarize your notes, write blog posts, brainstorm content, and more, all within your workspace. And finally, meet TTSMaker, a free tool that turns any text into a realistic voiceover. It supports multiple languages and voices, making it perfect for content creators and faceless YouTube channels like this one. All of these tools are free to start, super easy to use, and can literally save you hours every week. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to AI Productivity for more videos on AI tools, tips, and smart workflows. See you in the next one.
Hello, I am here to test the tool.